Hello everyone, this is Sheets Dragon. You are going to watch my channel. Please subscribe my channel and like our comments. In this video tutorial, you will learn about Google Sheets, a new trending technology from where you can uh, solve your problems, especially related to your businesses. So here is the title. You can change the name of the project. For example, I want to make a calculator for your purpose, and we are starting from basics. Here is the file. You can make a new file spreadsheet. You have your own old file, so you can open from here or import some data from somewhere. You can make a copy also, share with your friends, colleagues. You can mail them directly. You can download it as Microsoft Excel or documents or PDF file with pages, .html, separated value CSV files. You can also download it and separate .tsv files. Uh, you can also rename it. For example, here is calculator, so we should simply rename it from here. You can also move this file to another folder if you have made in your Google Drive. You can also make a shortcut to Drive, or you can move to trash. You can change the version, for example, having some colors, etc. You can also work it at offline mode. Security, you can also increase your security limitations and setting, etc. This is the edit file. You can undo, rebake anything, redo in advance. You can check it, cut, can paste it. Also, you can use these shortcuts for your own purposes. For example, Control C for copy, Control V for paste. It is just like in Excel, you can do anything. Paste special, for example, some values, format or formula, conditional formatting, etc. Data validation only, transpose. For example, you have data in columns and rows, and you want to transport it from column to rows and rows to column, etc. So you can easily do here. So we will just apply each and everything one by one to ensure that you will learn each and everything related to Google Sheet. You can also change the column width, increasing or decreasing. All borders you can change from here. You can value delete some values, for example, rows or columns, cells shifting from one place to another place, or uh, uh, left to right, etc. Find and replace, you can check it at Control plus H button. Here is, you can show the formula bar. You can here is the formula bar, so you can simply change from here. Grid lines, these are called grid lines. These lines are called grid lines. If you select this, so automatically this will become a plain sheet. So if in coming lectures we will learn about these things. You can grouping or some like the, you can comments on it, show all comments, not comments. So you can zoom it. Now it is 100%. You can select, or you can rezoom, or you can uh, see it in full screen. So all we discuss about these things literally after some time, but initially we are just going to uh, toward basic things. So here you can learn about any basic things related to Google Sheets. So this is a format bar. For example, you have a theme, so you can change from uh, any specific team, numberings. For example, you have changes to numbers like date, like percent, like scientific notation, are having accounting, financials, currency change, currency rounded, etc., date in time, durations, etc. You can all use these features and enhance your data to the next level. So here is a text column, so you can bold it, make italic or underline, having some strike through. For example, you are selecting something and you are going to strike something like that. Raving means you can overflow, or means rave down or off rotation, having you have some data and you want to rotate it, for example, horizontally, vertically, tilt it, stake vertically, rotate up, rotate down, etc. Are making some angle, etc. So you will be just using this new technology or new thing. So the front size is you can make font size, sorry. You can make your font size increasing, decreasing. For example, from here directly you can make a table or convert the table. You can use conditional formatting. For example, you have red, blue, green colors, etc., and you can change also the alternate colors to the rows in column. For example, here green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, like that. So you will use actually alternating colors data. In this menu, you will see the sort sheet. For example, you have some data and you want to sort out the data. So from here, sort range, etc. When data is applied, you can simply apply, create filters, etc. Create group by view. You can see some data in a group. Create filter view. You can also use a filter view creation. So if you have some specific data and you want to filter it out to view some data, so just select your data and click on this button. You will see the selected filter data. Add a slicer. You can add also a slicer to your data. Protect sheets in range. You can protect your sheets with the range that outsiders are not coming to your sheet to see your data. You can also give the name range to your specific data. You can also use name functions. For example, in mathematics, you can use a lot of new functions. So from here, you can use it. Column states. Here is a specific column you can want to ensure, or you can want to show it up. Data validation, it is important in Google Sheet. Data validation, you can just apply a data validation through some data to change its colors or etc. You can also clean up your data, remove duplicate or trim some data, uh, clean up easily. So this is the most important thing. You can just use your own Google Sheet to sort out your problems. Split text to column. For example, you have some text and you want to split it to text and column. You can also extract data from some websites or etc. You can also connect some data to BigQuery, for example, connect to Local Studio, etc. So another menu is tools. Create a new form. You can use a new form. You can check your spelling, etc. uh, and some suggestion controls. All, if you have some mistakes in your uh, related data, so you can sort out your problems from here. Notification, if someone changing something, edit notification or comment, so automatically you will get the notification here. You can enable it. Accessibility, you give everyone to a specific access to your sheet, that they will see or they will use it in future. Extensions, you can add a lot of extension. Add an extension if you want to uh, extreme of you want to exchange your data to add on another things, your another softwares. So you can just select add on. So for example, you are using some app script, so just click on app script macros. For example, You have some macros, so you can record it. App, you can connect your sheet to app sheets, and Locker Studio, etc. For creating a report, we sample reports, learn how to create reports. You can also connect it to the API connector, GPT, fast sliders, document sheets, etc. And you can also take a help from here. So this is the first lectures. You will just knew about the menu, how we should use this menu. We are going to start your course from immediately from the start of, for example, I want to make a calculator. So you have to just make your data. For example, I have some, let's suppose, I have some data related to furniture. For example, I have here I have furniture, and here I have the prices. So, for example, I have a bed, chair, table. Uh, for example, we have these three things and having price 50, 30, let's suppose 25. No, I want to make a simple calculator from that to automatically when we edit some data here. So automatically we get the results. Uh, so we can just use the basic formulas to add these things. For example, here I'm using a formula. So you can just use some formula to from here to here. Now all these, if you want to change, now we are going to apply all these things in the basic lectures. So you will learn very easily. For example, uh, I want to change the color of this. So you just come here, fill the color. For example, I want this color, and the text color should be white. Oh, sorry. I think it must be, oh, sorry. Let I have this color. No, no. Going toward this color. Let's suppose I have this color. I want to use it, for example. So if I want to change the border you can change easily. Look. And for example, I want to increase the width of the column from here. I want to centralize all these. The result. Where is the result? So from here we can centralize it simply. Okay. If for example I adding something like cupboard, for example, I entering the rates 35, so automatically this will add it. Look out here. Here is the total sum of You can make it bold. You can also make the bold. So just simply if someone adding something here, so automatically this will be added here. So this is a basic calculator just for children's. If you want to make this is a whole calculator, like for example, now if you want to remove these grid lines, so come here, click on grid lines, automatically the sheet will be clean up. So this is the basic calculator I have made in this video. In the next video lectures, we will learn about the new technologies related to Google Sheets. Please subscribe my channels, and if you want to change the name sheets, so here is the calculator. Automatically it will be saved in your Google Drive. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope we will learn new things in the new video.